We have the likely start of the southwest monsoon, aka the rainy season, aka the Habagat in the Philippines over the course of the next few days here. I would anticipate it already officially has been kicked off in Okinawa. That's with the Mayu Bayou front, also across parts of Taiwan. And this is what it looks like because as we go ahead through Thursday and the Friday, you got this deep low that passes over southwestern Japan. What's going to happen is really going to kick in that southwesterly flow, increasing the amount of moisture flowing across the West Philippine Sea. So here we go. There's a look at our low pressure area. It tracks along just like this. Basically, you have the WestPacWx. Now, remember, this has been blowing winds out of the east towards the west. That is the general easterlies. But this is all going to change up with the passing low. We get basically the WestPacWx retreats just a little bit back towards the east. And look at the general just flow, a monsoon of wind, if you will. That's really going to be kicking in. We don't need a full-on named storm system to start this up. It's just a general changing of the patterns here. And I'm sure a lot of you have heard, oh, the rainy season's going to start. And it doesn't mean it's going to rain for everybody all at once. It's just a general, actually, monsoon is more about the winds and less about the rain. Sometimes people forget that. Monsoon means changing of the winds. And basically, southwest, it's coming in from the southwest. Look at all the heavy precip across parts of over here towards Myanmar, Thailand. Then it kicks all the way up towards the western areas of Japan. And then you can see here as it starts to build in on the northwest coast of Luzon with heavy rainfall there as well. So a lot of moisture in our forecast for the west coast of the Philippines as that high pressure ridge starts to back off towards the east. Taking a look, actually, do remember, first off, I do want to remind you, in this type of situation, when we're talking about this heavy rainfall, we don't have a named storm system. Do keep in mind that the yellow, orange, red rainfall warnings kind of give it supplemented in besides signal force warnings. So if you're in a red rainfall warning, always want to take that serious. That's specifically for the Philippines where they have these rainfall, but they do have emergency alerts and stuff like that for Japan and even over towards Taiwan. It's one of those days where you just want to really monitor that type of setup here because, you know, short time heavy rain can cause some flooding, especially if you get too much in a short period of time. The ground acts like a sponge. It can't really soak up any more water. You can start to see those water level rises. Get that low pressure area off towards the west of the Philippines, though. That is a part of this overall changing of the monsoonal flow. That has and this is something I'm not really talking about here. It has a very low chance of tropical development. I'm more concerned about the rainy season turning on because even if something did develop here just south of Hong Kong, it would quickly get wrapped up with the overall monsoonal flow from the southwest towards the northeast, and that would be really the big topic here. By the way, Lex made this graphic, all the cute animals. I love it. June 4th back in 2021, that's when we first had our first rainy season, the onset in the Philippines. It was May 18th, 2022, pretty early, but the last 2 years, 23 and 24, it was kind of close to normal time, which is right about where we are right now. So historically speaking, the last 2 years, my prediction that from the 28th to the 2nd, we're going to be officially in the rainy season in the Philippines. Probably going to come true based on climatology alone, but it also has a lot to do with the fact that if we go here and let's just look ahead and let's push this to the first, you can really see the general flow coming in from the southwest towards the northeast. So yeah, I'm going to continue to monitor that, and hopefully we don't get any named storms within this, but I don't expect us to. But if we do, of course, I'll always keep posted, and we'll continue to track what's happening out here together. I'll have more on this tomorrow as well, but just for those who have stuck around all the way through, I do want to note that Tomoy, the weather kitty, passed away yesterday. Some people been asking in the comment section where he's been lately, and he was been sick. Just wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, my best weather assistant. Have a good day, guys. Okay.